सोमनाथ तिसवाडी हांगा 5 सुमार झाड पडले 2 घरांचे आणि आता सध्या आम्ही क्रेन हाडून काम स्टार्ट केला. फायर ब्रिगेड आणि म्युन्सिपालिटी कलेक्टरेट.
आयकोना कितें हें जालें इफेक्ट बी जाला
डॅमेज मातशे घराचे होती मोडून पडल्या आणि नवे फुटल्या तेंचे. लोकांक सध्या कांय जावना.
काल साल तुमी हिंगात
काल साल आमी हांगा राती आमी येयले राती हाडले सकाळी परते 7 येयले आनी काम चालू आसा.
हे आमचे झाड आसा ते पोन्ने झाड आणि आम्ही डेप्युटी कलेक्टराक मामलेदाराक 3 एप्लिकेशनां केल्ली की ते झाड पडटलें. तर तो सो कॉल्ड ओनर आसा सतीश शेवे म्हणून तेणेन तेजेर ऑब्जेक्शन हाडलें आणि तेजेर RFOचो रिपोर्ट आसा आणि तलाटीचो रिपोर्ट आसा की ते झाड डेंजरसली लिव्हिंग आसा म्हणून. तरी पूण हेंच्यांनी ऑब्जेक्शन हाडून ते झाड एका एप्लिकेशन डिसमीस करपाक लागलें डेप्युटी कलेक्टराक. आणि आज ते काल ते 3 सुमार झाड पडलें आणि ते घराचेर पडलें आणि ते मोडलें घर.
कितली डॅमेज जाली?
घरां 2 घरां डॅमेज जाली.
2 घरां
डॅमेज
तुमच्या कडेन
बाटलेन नियर फेर्नांडीस बेकरी.
Difficult to receive in monsoon. These things happen. You cannot not say anything about wind and rain. This is beyond anyone's control. But we must see that the minimum we can basically we should see that the minimum damage takes place, and we should reach to help the people who are in distress during that difficult time.
Being new in the organization, you get enough support from the government for this, especially because it's a disaster management, everything is involved in this, and especially the...
Everyone, let us not blame anyone or all. Everyone seems to be helpful. As far as the collectorate, the mamladar and all these things, they come to the spot immediately. And they do their job. I should not basically complain about anyone. But in fact, it is before the monsoon, which trees are basically dangerously lying on which will cause a danger to human beings and all. Those things, I think the collector should take a stock, and the forest department basically should check the listing of the trees, whether they are going to cause any dangers in the monsoon.